Good morning. I'm having cereal. Trying to get Emmett to eat. I made him some pho, one of those instant pho. He won't eat it. He just refused. He's just running away. I gotta pick up Nala after this, go pick up his prescriptions, and then go to the dentist. Yeah, that's our day. Go in. Go. Careful, please. You are so annoying! We are in the car, just waiting to go to her dentist appointment. We're like an hour early, so. But I don't feel like driving around because parking here is ridiculous. But anyway, can you turn that off?
Can't stop on.
It's not copyrighted. Anyways, yeah. It took me an hour to pick her up from school. They didn't know where she was. I didn't know her room number because she's not in the system yet. Because is it your second week? Like your 5th day there.
Yeah.
And she's not in the system or anything.
Yeah,
so I'm like,
I don't even have benchmarks or anything.
it was so annoying. It took me an hour to get her. Luckily, I left at 12. Her appointment's not till 3. I finally got her by 1, and then I had to go to
41. It's my number.
And then I had to go to CVS to pick up Emmett's prescription, which his insurance didn't cover, which is really weird. Anyways, I had to pay like $40 for it. Anyways, if I say anyways one more time, we are now just waiting in the car. Emmett is
Play a drinking game of how many times you say anyways.
You heard her? Take a shot for every time I say anyways.
Or like.
I don't say like.
Oh, I do.
You a valley girl.
Oh, I'm that cute, yo.
Damn pacifier. Hi. Aw, keep your hat on. Hi. 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 Who got cavities? Cavities! You got cavities! Ew, ugly. Finally home. Well, on the way home. Gotta pick up McDonald's. Why does my phone look shut up? Okay. Picking up McDonald's for Nyla and my brother. I'm gonna make food at home. I just want rice. I want straight out rice and eggs. That's what I want. That sounds good. Oh, do we have eggs? Oh. Oh, excuse me. We're home. Someone's trying to eat. I'm hoping he'll eat all of his fries at least, and maybe 1 or 2 nuggets. He wouldn't eat his pho. He wouldn't eat his congee or rice porridge. He wouldn't drink his milk. I don't know. I really hope he gets appetite back because I missed it. He used to eat anything and everything. Ugh. And we're up. And we're up and we're playing. We're trying to be in a good mood. In good spirits. Give it to me. Give it to me. Whoa. Whoa. Give me this. I got it. Jump. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, dirty now. Here, give it to Daddy to wash.
Okay.
Go. You okay?
Yeah.
You okay? He had like maybe 4 small spoons of porridge. Me. He don't have a fever right now, so thank goodness. But he's still coughing. So I'm trying to stick it in his mouth. You see he's coughing. Go ahead, throw it out. Spit it, spit.
Don't eat it.
Give me.
That's the cough. I gave him his steroids earlier. I think it's time for some Tylenol though. Whew. Right after that, Emmett threw up. So now he's in the bath. Daddy's cleaning up, throw up on the rug. Hi. He just can't eat. Every time he tries to eat, he just throws up. Stress. Can't jump around anymore, Emmett. Yeah, be careful. You're gonna throw up again. Okay? Okay. Let's do your letters.
Yes.
Okay. Shark attack, Nyla. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Get him, Emmett. Get him. Get her. He's such a boy. He's trying to get her attention so bad. Woo! Uh-oh. Oh. Get her, Emmett. Get the shark on him. I'm such a bad mom. Oh. That's it? That's it? Yes.
Look at the puppy. Puppy's so ugly. You ugly.
You ugly.
Ugly.
Yeah, you ugly. Oh.
No.
Ew, what's in your butt?
No.
Help you?
Yes.
Say help me, mommy.
Help me, mommy.
Say it again. Say it again.
Hey, mommy.
Help me, mommy.
Help me, mom.
You feel better?
Yes.
A little bit better. It's time for your Tylenol.
I'm cold.
Here. Emmett, you felt like a girl. Pull her pants down too. Go pull her pants down. What happened, Emmett? Your butt showing. So funny. It's so funny. You know, funny. Pato shook. He was like, oh, he's mad now. Hulk smash. Hulk smash. Hulk smash. What do you want, Max? Huh? What do you want? Look at Bottle. Bottle. Hi. Get her, Emmett. Get her. Hulk smash. You trying to jump with you? No crying. First person to cry get hit. And whoever made that person cry get hit. I don't remember if I vlogged it, but me and Emmett has been spending the night on the couch. Right, Emmett? You tired now? Yeah. But what Daddy got for you? iPad. Jason's snoring keeps us up. So, we're on the couch. Which I don't mind. Because I get hungry at night. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, you dropped my phone.
Bye.
You gotta say bye. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Buckus.